Myself, Dr. Debraj Jash, consultant pulmonologist of Apollo Mutispeciality Hospital. We are organizing a one-day workshop plus 1.5 day conference on mechanical ventilation, ECMO, as well as the pulmonary critical care. Now, pulmonary critical care is an integral component of the core pulmonology. There is hardly any disease in the pulmonology which doesn't have a critical care aspect. However, this is not the part which is looked into in most of the CMEs or most of the conferences which were held in Kolkata. So this is a niche and new concept with pulmonary critical care. We are organizing for the very first time in the eastern part of the country. We have more than 50 plus national faculties, head of the department of most of the government as well as the private institutions, as well as international faculties who will be there for the 2 days. So I will, from the behalf of the Apollo, on behalf of the Apollo Hospital, I like to welcome all the delegates, and I will request all the delegates to register prior to the attending conference and to make this conference a grand success, so that this kind of conference on pulmonary critical care can happen in many parts of the Kolkata as well as West Bengal and India, so that more and more pulmonologists will be interested in this critical care concept, and end of the day more and more patients will get benefited. Thank you.